Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Those of you that watch enough of my videos know I make a lot of cubes, and there's really a couple ways to do this. One of them, you could just save the file and make a macro to open that file. But it took me, a couple of keystrokes to do that. Why don't we make a macro? I'm going to go to Tools, Scripts, and start recording. I'm going to call it cube. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to say OK. I'm going to get my polygon tool. I'm going to hold down the control button. I'm going to go ahead and hit P. I'm going to take a 2-point line and go from there to there, there to there, and there to there. I'm going to go up to Tools, Scripts, and stop recording. Now I'm going to delete that. I'm going to go to Tools, Scripts, and there again, yours might say macros. All the macros that you make will be under global macros, recorded macros, and there's my cube. If I double click on it, it made my cube. Now, I can right click on that and assign it a keyboard stroke. And I'm going to call it Control V. So I'm going to do it again. Let's delete that. I'd already been playing. Alternate V. It's not assigned to anything. I'm going to assign it and say OK. Let's shut this down. Let's go alternate V. Look at that. It drew my cube. Now, I did not group it at the end, but I could have. Why do I make a cube? Well, I've done a lot of videos on how to make a cube, and you can do things like this and make a cube, and you can move that out of the way and write on it and make it look. Well, here's one reason. Let's say if you took the name Corel and make it like that, I don't want it to go all the way to the edges. So I'm going to take that item. I'm going to go to Effects and Contour. I'm going to contour to the inside, just like 0.1. Well, a little bit more. Let's go 0.3. I'm going to break the contour apart because I really want to write in this red. So now I can take Corel, kind of get it closer in the center. Select Corel, the word, go up to Object and add perspective. And then take that and put it to the red line. Take that one and take it to the red line. Take that one and take it to the red line. And look at this when I'm through. I can move that over to my cube, and it looks like it's written in the cube. And mess that up, alternate V, and it'll make another cube. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.